It's boarding day on NCL's Pride of America. We'll show you what it's like on boarding day and give you a tour of our balcony cabin. When you arrive at the terminal, you'll wait in line to get through security, but at least you're inside with air conditioning. They welcome you with a shell necklace. Check-in was quick and easy. Then we headed up the escalator to the gangway. Pride of America was built in 2005 and refurbished in 2025. It holds 2,200 guests. This is the only ocean cruise ship that sails under the U.S. flag. It doesn't have to stop at an international port and spends the entire cruise visiting the Hawaiian Islands. The first thing to do is visit your muster station and get that out of the way. The next thing to do is make reservations for your specialty dining if you haven't done it already. On boarding day, the restaurant reservations are in East meets West on Deck 5. After day 1, they have the reservations desk right next to guest services. Now it's time for a drink at John Adams Bar. The rooms aren't ready until around 2 p.m., so we enjoyed a Buena Vista and took a look around the ship. There's a great spot on Deck 13 at the aft. The Waikiki Bar is a nice area to relax with nice loungers and a pool. Our room is ready. Let's take a room tour. Balcony cabin 9546. Turn this to say make up my room or do not disturb. And then let's take a little tour. First, let's look at the carpet. So there's no fish running forward. You can't tell if you're going forward or back on these. Start with the closet first. It's kind of small. The newer ships have 3 little sections here, but this is great. It has some shelves and baskets over here. And on this side, some shelves. And lots of hangers. And some hooks up here. Some more drawers right here. Awesome. Ooh, nice. We got some treats delivered. On this side, you have more storage shelves down there. This is the beds configured as 2 twins. You can have them put together as 1 queen. Just ask your room steward. Each side has 1 USB and a little light for reading. Let's see all the plugs in the room. On this side has 1 North American and 1 European plug. Let's look at the bathroom. It's kind of tight in here, and it's got a shower curtain. In here they have body wash and a conditioning shampoo, so you might want to bring your own products. Here's the shower head. There's a little line to dry things. Things dry really quick in here. And it's a small sink area, but it's got some space, counter space that you can use here, which is nice. Some more glasses. You can put some things down there too. Great. And let's take a look on this side of the room. These have shelves here, and you can place things on top on each side of the bed. There's a tiny couch. Let's see if there's a drawer under here. Oh, it's a You can pull it out and have a third bed if you want under here. And then on this side, you have a small desk area, and it's got 2 North American plugs and 2 USBs. Menu service. Here's our shore excursion tickets. And these are great tickets. I just turned platinum, so I'm going to enjoy some free perks. And the hair dryer's here. There's a little stool to sit on. And in here is the fridge. You can take those out. That's at an extra charge. You can put your own things in there if you'd like. And below is some drawer space. And up here is a safe. It's big enough for cash and passports, but not for a laptop. Here's our little TV. Super cute, it's tiny. It's what, 24 inches or 28? I don't know. And let's look at the balcony. So we've got 2 chairs with a little ottoman and a tiny table. It's a little tight, but it's perfect. Look at this beautiful water in Hawaii. Here we are, the Honolulu Harbor, Pride of America. Sail Away is at 7 p.m. and tonight we're having dinner at Jefferson's Bistro. It's the French restaurant with the same menu as Le Bistro. The wine menu on Pride of America is completely different than the usual offerings on NCL, and it's better. The food was delicious. After dinner, we found our new favorite bar on board, Pink Champagne Bar. They serve great cocktails with live music. We'll show you the cruise ports in Hawaii in our next few videos. Thanks for watching Taste for Travel. Please subscribe to see all our latest travel tours, tips, and reviews. Cheers!